social Ash Draven waiting in the ring for his opponent, a man I know very well and a man that everyone knows very well now, none other than Tyler Bate. None other than former WWE UK champion Tyler Bate, a man I have quite a storied history with.
Introducing your two competitors for this main event contest. First of all, standing in the corner to my right, he weighed in at 187 pounds and hails from the happy place. This is the self-proclaimed king of the Shropshire Wrestling Alliance, anti-social Ash Draven! And introducing his opponent in the corner to my left,
the first ever WWE United Kingdom champion has returned to the SWA.
A man I have a storied history with, as I've already made everyone aware. This man stole the British Lions Championship from me. I was the first ever British Lions champion, much like he was the first ever WWE UK champion. And after almost a year, he stole that belt from me.
Regardless of whether or not you feel that Tyler stole that championship from you, there is no doubt that tonight Ash Draven is in for the fight of his life. Tyler Bate is an absolute stalwart on the UK scene.
Good work there, Colin. That's true, he is. But if Ash Draven can find his happy place, he may be able to cause an upset here. And I, for one, would welcome it. I really would.
These fans insisting that Ash Draven is not worthy of being in the ring.
Well, these fans are stupid. They don't know what they're talking about. He is worthy. He's more than welcome here. Yeah, Tyler can come if he wants.
Now, I've got to say respectfully, while obviously these fans can make their voices heard, that's what we love here at the SWA, I've actually got to agree with you, Damien. Ash Draven...
You've agreed with me again.
I know, it's unbelievable.
Wonders never cease. Has hell frozen over?
Ash Draven is a fantastic competitor in that ring. He's got a great record here in the SWA. There's no doubt that this guy has earned this contest. There's no doubt this guy deserves to be in the ring with the first ever WWE United Kingdom champion.
The fans referring to Tyler Bates' facial hair, which fails, in comparison to mine, but, yes, he does have a mustache. Thank you for noticing, fans.
Tyler Bate picking up his own leg and just switching out. Now taking control of the wrist.
And on the head.
Transfers to the side headlock. Headlock takeover now from Bate. Draven though with the head scissors. Tyler saying no.
I mean, I didn't see him say no.
He indicated no then.
Well done.
Tyler now rolls over to the hands and knees, and is this going to be some classic Tyler Bate?
No. Thank God.
Ash Draven stops it. Yep. Wait a minute. Tyler's still looking. One leg goes up, the other. And there it is. The Tyler Bate headstand. Ash Draven just looks a little confused.
Well, this is just silly. This is silly.
Lovely stuff from Tyler Bate to spin out of that one.
Silly.
Hey, it's effective. I believe these fans are chanting, "You're going home in a Dawley ambulance."
A very unclever chant from the fans here in Dawley.
Lock up in the middle, Tyler again. I would say Tyler probably has a strength advantage in this contest. You can see how well he's built. He is, despite his live size, he is an absolute powerhouse in there. You can't mistake that.
Sorry, Colin, do you fancy Tyler Bate? It kind of sounds like that.
I'm simply making a point about the strength of the young man. This guy, who's 20 years old, is in phenomenal shape. One of the best technical wrestlers in the world right now.
I mean, it would appear, Colin, that you're trying to tell me about Tyler Bate, but a little factoid for you. I was actually in Tyler Bates' first ever professional match. Me and another WWE UK champion, Dunn, my brother, wrestled against Tyler Bate in his first ever match in a tag team contest. We won that match, just so you know. But yes, I know Tyler Bate very well.
Well, arguably then, I'm glad that there is no better suited man to have here on commentary with me. Surely you know more about this man than anyone else.
I do indeed. But we've had many scraps. Some that I won, some that he won. I mean, his were very dubious, I do believe he cheated, but yes, I do know him very well.
Witnessed a few of those myself in the past, being on commentary for one or two matches involving the two of you in singles or tag action. Certainly a storied history, but right now it's Ash Draven that Tyler Bate has to worry about, and Draven has done very well here, taking Tyler down to his back.
The referee checking to see if those shoulders are down, and they are not.
Tyler just flips up to his feet, rolls through, rolls back, nip up.
Oh, come on, this is just silly.
Well, a little bit of showing off for the fans, and then a beautiful drop kick, and a Japanese roll springs up to the feet.
A Japanese roll?
That's what it's called when you do that roll and then spring off your head onto your feet.
I'm sure that's not what it's actually called.
That is.
But he nipped up and then twizzled his facial hair.
It was a roll from somewhere between Japan and Mustache Mountain.
Very clever. It looks like Tyler Bate's going for a dive here. Successful.
Takes the man down with a suicide dive, and Tyler... And again, the little squeak of the tash. Tyler Bate is enjoying himself out here. So far, Ash Draven, apart from one little spell, has really barely gotten going. Ash Draven actually appears to be kind of backing off.
He's just taking a breather. I wouldn't class this as him begging off or anything. And there you go, Ash Draven taking control. Very clever, very calculated. Damo Dunn approved.
I'm sure Ash Draven will be very happy to hear that was Damien Dunn approved. Just throwing all of his weight across the back of Tyler Bate.
Ash Draven has control here, and he has Tyler Bate grounded. Referee Winstanley needs to be very careful about how close he gets in Ash Draven's face. This man is antisocial, and if he finds his happy place, Winstanley or Tyler Bate may well get knocked out.
No, there's no denying that Ash Draven certainly is a dangerous individual to be that close to.
And he is a man who definitely pulls off pinstripe. Sorry, you're not saying anything, Colin. Do you not agree that his pinstripe attire is very fetching?
I mean, I'll be honest, I didn't quite know what to respond to the comment on the pinstripes.
I mean, you had plenty to say about Tyler Bate's strength.
Yes, because that's a technical aspect that's important in this match. Not quite so sure that the pinstripes are going to have an effect on the outcome.
It's fine, I can see the favouritism here, Colin. It's fine, I understand.
Hey, I've got respect for Ash Draven. He's a great competitor. Been doing very, very well so far here in the SWA since Rebirth. And listen to this. See, this is something that Ash Draven definitely does have to his advantage. He can play the mental game about as well as anyone I've ever seen in that ring.
Mental's about right, but yes, you're right. He is jockeying with Tyler Bate, telling him, reminding him that he is in fact Dawley Town's hero.
A hero in his own mind, but those chops! And I believe he had the mustache there. That's a step too far.
Much like Samson, if you attack the hair, maybe that takes his strength.
Ash Draven now dragging Tyler to his feet.
Scoop slam.
Beautiful.
Hits the ropes.
High angle and a lovely elbow drop running. This could be it.
Hooks the leg. And that's a 2 count.
Tyler powering out quite quickly at 2 as well. And now just the fingernails being dug into the back.
Who doesn't like a back scratch? Tell me, who does not like a scratched back?
Not quite sure that was a comfortable little back scratch. That was more of a gouge.
Yeah, tomato, tomato.
And again you hear it, Ash Draven getting into the head of Tyler Bate, occupying that mental space inside Tyler, occupying his mind and attempting to drag Tyler into the happy place.
If there's one man who understands mind games, it's Ash Draven. Although I'm not quite sure he understands his own mind.
He certainly does seem to be an individual who is a little bit off kilter, shall we say.
But it does seem that it comes to his advantage, and, you know, as you said, he's been very successful in SWA so far.
And look at the strength from Tyler Bate just holding Draven off.
Oh, put him down. Not like that. Oh.
Beautiful exploder suplex over the head.
Go on, say about how he's so strong, Tyler Bate's strength, yada yada yada.
It was an impressive display of strength. He held the man in mid-air and then held him over his own head. I couldn't do that.
The Moronic fans chanting Tash.
Tyler Bate now up to the second rope. Comes flying off with a European uppercut.
Draven is down. It looks like he's going for that moronic airplane spin, but it's been reversed.
Tyler Bate though slides through the legs, goes to the waist lock, but gets reversed. Now up onto the shoulders, and there is the airplane spin.
Ooh, a spinny thing, and all the fans go wild.
Hey, it throws off the equilibrium of your opponent.
I know how it works, Colin. I have been victim to it before.
Well, then you know that it's an effective maneuver.
Correct.
And Tyler, a little unsteady on his legs, but still have the man up. Tyler powerlifting him back up.
He indeed squats. You can tell by the size of the man's quads.
And finally hurls him down to the mat. Tyler a little off balance himself. Goes in for the cover, hooks the leg.
It's not enough.
Very close 2 count.
Maybe took a little too long because he was dizzy himself, but that was a close call. Draven is still in this one. The fans don't know Tyler on that level. How could they even say they love him?
It's a different kind of love. It's an admiration.
I don't need you to explain love to me. It looks like he's going for the Tyler driver, but it's not happening.
Tyler though, managing to power up to his feet. And he's hooking him up for the Tyler driver again. Reverse knee to the midsection. Oh! Very impressive balance from Tyler Bate. Running shooting star. Tyler Bate now just holding the man up. Delayed back suplex.
Not enough. Not enough. But that was a close 2 count. Tyler Bate with that rebound off the ropes into the lariat.
And you hear these fans again getting behind Tyler Bate. As Bate rolls himself out to the apron. Taking a second perhaps to recover and plan his next move, but I don't know whether it's wise to give Draven so much space.
It would look like he may climb the depth. It looks like he's going to climb the turnbuckle.
Tyler heading up to that high-risk district.
Took too long and Draven has cut him off.
Draven out to the second rope with Tyler. Delivers the right hand and now locks in the front face lock.
There's to be very careful of that light there. Heaven forbid somebody would hit it and hurt themselves. Please be Tyler. Please be Tyler.
Tyler was delivering the strong shot from midsection. A headbutt. Not quite down yet though. A second headbutt and now Draven has fallen.
What's Tyler going for?
Top. Draven catches him.
That could be enough. He just needs to get on top of him. Hook the leg. And this could be it. This could be it. 1, 2, and it's a 2 count.
And possibly those extra seconds that it took him to push Tyler to his back just gave him enough recovery time.
Draven will be frustrated. I'm pretty sure that he's picked up the win with that move before.
These fans still firmly getting behind Tyler Bate.
One thing I can say, I rarely like to compliment Tyler Bate, but yes, from day one being in Dawley, he has been a firm fan favourite. Probably why I don't like him. But he is throwing these forearms, vicious strikes from Tyler Bate, and Ash Draven is on the ropes. If this was boxing, I'm pretty sure it would have been called off by now.
We've seen those shots from Tyler before. We know how effective he is. Oh, what a super kick. Came back in with a running knee, but Tyler, the forward roll kick.
Capo kick from Tyler Bate there. And both men are down, both men feeling the effects of that strike.
A little bit of an exchange there as rocked and rattled both men, you're absolutely right.
The referee is starting the 10 count. Will either man make it to their feet in time? That's 5 from Winstanley.
Halfway there, but Draven has rolled himself out of the ring completely.
Very clever of Ash Draven to take a breather on the floor.
Get a little bit of separation, but Tyler looks like he's setting up for something.
He beat the count, that's the most important thing. But you're right, Tyler Bate looks like he's going for some high-risk maneuver.
Draven met him with a forearm though.
Draven managing to cut him off in his tracks.
Draven picks Tyler up. Went for that maneuver again. Oh! And Winstanley gets absolutely wiped out with a clothesline.
That has to be the favourite thing of the whole night. Winstanley gets taken out.
Big super kick from Tyler Bate. And wait, Tyler got the arms hooked up. Tyler Driver, 97.
Well, this should be it, maybe, but there's no referee, Tyler. There's no referee.
You hear the fans counting. He had him in the pinfall for much longer than a 3 count there, but there's no referee.
When Stanley is out, it's probably what he deserves for what he did in that 5-man academy match earlier.
Tyler trying to wake Winstanley up, but Winstanley is not moving. I mean, he took one hell of a clothesline. Draven with a low blow.
And here's that finish. And Tyler could be out.
Beautiful hammerlock DDT. Draven's calling for a second referee, I believe.
There's a second referee. This could be it. This could be it.
This could well be all 1, 2.
My word, 2 count. Tyler Bate manages to kick out of that maneuver.
Tyler just got the shoulder up and wait.
It would look like Ash Draven is making his way over here. Does he want? Please take it, use it.
Draven taking that cane.
Hit Shane, just hit Shane with it, please.
Ash Draven, I mean, referee Shane's got to stop this. Draven will get himself disqualified here.
Ash Draven looks like he's going to take out Tyler. Oh, this is the best night ever. Well done, Ash Draven. Those stupid referees getting what they deserve.
Referee Shane absolutely wait!
Oh, what is he doing here?
Joey Osborne is here with us.
What does he want?
Osborne has a problem.
What is he doing?
Draven and wait. Joey Osborne is wearing a referee shirt.
Joey Osborne is a zebra?
Pop and bang!
Oh, come on, no.
Not Tyler Bate.
Not this way. Not this way.
Osborne in. 2, 3.
How does that count? He's not a referee.
Here is your winner, Tyler Bate.
Joey Osborne is not an official. This should not stand.
Hey, Joey Osborne, I'll be honest, I don't know whether he's an officially sanctioned referee or not, but he came out here, he's got the shirt, he made the count.
I'm afraid you can't just put on a white and black shirt and make yourself a referee. That's not how this works. This is completely unfair and unjust on Ash Draven. Ash Draven should be your winner tonight.
Well, Ash Draven, after knocking out referee Shane, looks like he left us with no choice but to pull a 3rd man out of the back. And Tyler Bate is leaving SWA Sledgehammer as the victor. Tyler Bate standing tall. There's referees strewn all over the ring, but the most important thing in there right now is your winner, ladies and gentlemen, Tyler Bate.
Well, if my foot wasn't broken and I was in that match, I would have got the win. But yes, your winner is none other than Tyler Bate.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for purchasing this DVD or viewing this show on demand. It's been a pleasure to be with you for a little while. On behalf of my co-commentator...
Well, no, stop right there. First of all, you didn't thank me for adding some class, some decorum, being the #1 commentator on the show. How dare you? I will sign up. Thank you so much for listening to the sultry tones of Damien Dunn and my colleague, the second announcer, Colin Russell Armes.
Russell Ames, ladies and gentlemen.
Armes.
On behalf of Damien Dunn, I am Colin Russell Ames. Thank you very much for joining us at Sledgehammer, and good night.